Hello, and welcome to this November recap. If you're new here, my name is Madelyn Grays, and I'm a professional oil painter newly based in the greater Seattle area.
And look at the moon too.
I know, I'm getting every bit of it too.
The moon and
Yeah. Freaking love it. It's so beautiful.
We are currently on our way to a very nice dinner. My birthday and me and my husband's anniversary lie on the same week, and so we just book a really nice dinner and celebrate both. I love food, so this is perfect. I'd rather pay for experiences than things. But my husband thought otherwise. He said, "You're going to get both." This is such a beautiful bracelet. We're also celebrating 9 years of marriage, and that's like a big number, you know? So the food was fabulous, okay? The bread was spectacular. I loved the pickled vegetables, and these clams were hitting. We cleared our plates basically. And my husband had the best steak he's ever had, and my salmon was cooked perfectly. What more can you ask for?
Awesome! Okay, we're gonna sing this song while
Is it okay?
It's been 8 months since I've painted by this time. And when I tell y'all I was ecstatic, I feel like that's not even the right word because I was even more than ecstatic. This is actually a painting for a group show called Mothering that is going to take place at Aaron Cooley Gallery in Dallas, Texas, January the 10th through February the 14th. My piece is basically about trying to raise a decent human being in a world full of egregious people. Here you'll see me messing up 11 times because it's been 8 months since I painted, and I gotta exercise that muscle, but eventually I figure out how to get things in order so I can figure out how to proportion this dang hand, because hands are still hard for me. But we just get through it. We do the best that we can.
It's a coach. Good job. Trap. Can you put your foot on top and go trap? Here it comes. Oh, good try. Put your foot on top. Go trap. Oh, let's try one more time. Can you go pass? Trap. Can you put your foot on top and go trap? Here it comes.
Trap.
To give you guys, so you guys have to do your tiny, tiny kicks to get to the orange. You're gonna stop and you're gonna pass it to myself and
Typically, I start with the backest background. I'm sure there's a better way of saying that, but that's the only way that I know how to say that right in this moment. I want a clean finish with the painting. I don't want to save the background for last because then I'm going to have to paint around everything, whereas I don't have to worry about trying to paint clean around things that are 100% finished. This is also the first layer, and typically the first layer is the most minimal, so I'm not really adding too much value. I just want to cover the space because I don't do underpaintings. I'm just trying to cut to the chase.
She's what, baby?
She's just eating.
I used to not keep such a clean palette while I was painting throughout the day. It used to really be I would paint on top of dried paint, which wouldn't always be dry and would mess up my color mixing. So I have adopted the fact that I have to clean as I go. It also prevents your paints from getting muddy, right? So right here, you are basically seeing me mix colors, and I am mixing colors for the sweater that I'm about to paint. It's like a nice mustard color. And so I'm just kind of getting all of the values in order. And that's what I like to do before I even start painting is I mix for maybe like 20 minutes, sometimes 30 if it's just like there's a ton of color in said painting that I'm doing. Just so that I can be set and I'm not having to do that while I'm painting because it's frustrating. You know, you're in a flow state and you want to just get to the nitty-gritty. Usually I scrape away perfectly good paint that I wasn't able to scrape up with my palette knife with my razor, and I would scrape that paint off of the razor onto the palette knife and from the palette knife to the palette to mix a new color so that I am wasting as little oil paint as possible because oil paint is expensive, okay? If you're new here, you're probably wondering why I don't have a designated space for my craft, and that is because my studio shed is being renovated as we speak. So I am patiently waiting as I paint on our dining room table and get things done. It's coming together. Really excited about having this space, and I am looking forward to painting in it.